Hey y'all, I'm Alex. This is the dream job video. My dream job is to be a pediatric dietitian. I've always loved kids. I work at a summer camp and a preschool, and I think it's important for kids to start young with good dietary habits. This class would help me in my pursuit because it's required for my undergrad, so I kind of have to have it, and it kind of starts my journey, I guess you would say, to reaching this dream goal. My two to three action step. Well, first I'll start by completing my undergrad, and then I would like to take a year off and intern in Germany. I'm a German minor, so I think that's interesting and would set me apart when applying to grad school, which would be my next step is to go to grad school, hopefully at Virginia Tech. That's kind of the dream school. After grad school, I guess I would just find a job after that and hopefully have reached my goal by then. Thanks for watching.